Hi everyone, back at it here with another video. So this video we were talking about the small to medium macaws, as I just finished the last with my of the big macaws in my previous video. Go ahead and watch it. It's the big three blues, the hyacinth, the leers, and the glaucius. So in this one we will be talking about the biggest of the small macaw species, the red-fronted macaws. So I have had the honor of actually working with these birds. They are gorgeous. They got a gorgeous temperament when they are semi-young, but when they reach adulthood, they are pure monsters. So these birds are found in a small area on the eastern slope of the Andes down to the central south part of Bolivia. So quite a small range. And within that small range, there are only 300 mature individuals left in the wild. And those numbers are decreasing very rapidly, and it is a shame, as these birds are amazing. So these birds, they are not very common in the pet trade or in any form of aviculture, especially here in South Africa. When I was at my previous facility, I had 2 pairs, and I got them semi-successful. So I just was never able to get past getting the eggs to develop properly. So the eggs would be fertile and they would either pass away in the egg, or they just never developed properly, causing them to pass on later on in development. So yes, so I bred them with the exact same diet as I did with all my other macaws. The fruit and veggies in the morning and the high fat seed mix in the afternoon, along with extra nuts for the protein, as well as some dog pellets, which really helped. So these birds have a mostly greenish olivey body, with their head having uh, a red patch across it. So it goes all the way across here, as you'll see in the photo I'll be posting up. That goes into the ear coverts, and they have red shoulder patches, which is actually quite cool. So, just like other macaws, they do have the classic bare patch. However, their bare patch is a lot smaller, and their feathers on their cheeks, actually, when they flare them, they cover the bare patch, so it looks like they don't have one. But they do. You'll see in the photos I'll be posting. So they also have a olivey green tail that is tipped with blue, and it's one of the few feathers I have in my collection that's actually there, as I collect a lot of feathers from every single bird I've worked with. Maybe one day I'll be able to show you guys everything. So yeah, and also on these birds, their thighs are red. So they only have a few patches of it, but yes, even on their wings, they got some red on them. And then yeah, they have the normal big black beaks, and they have orange eyes, which is actually very pretty in person. Also very intimidating when they're staring you down at eye level when you're looking into their nests. Trust me, it is quite horrifying. But anyway, I know this is a little bit of a shorter one. However, we'll be carrying on with everything. The next one I think I'm gonna do is the blue-headed, or the chestnut, one of the two. Haven't exactly decided that far yet. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.